You know I appreciate every time you guys come back.
Alright, y'all, do you guys want a smoothie that's high in potassium, vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin E, folate, magnesium? Because if you want that, all you have to do is add a handful of spinach, some papaya, parsley, some plant-based protein, some ice cubes, and then of course, a banana.
And you guys know that I have to work out every single day. Alright, y'all, let me spit some Spanish game to you real quick. The first one, naranja, which means orange. The second word, pato, which means duck. Is your boy killing the game or what? And that's all I have for today, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. All my other social media sites are down below, including my personal website that you need to go check out. And your boy Matt will see you tomorrow. Peace.